Hey there, did you know that 99.9% of people who watch my video don't subscribe? So it's kind of sad, so don't be one of them. Just hit that please subscribe button for me and also stay up to date with my latest video. Anyway, today I'll be showing you how to enable a grid view on your Canon camera in just 1 minute. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, turn on your camera and click the menu button. Next, go to the function setting and navigate to the PS4. And you should see an option called grid when shooting. Click on it and choose your preferred grid size. I like to choose 6:4, and that's it. You have successfully turned on the grid view. And here's the one thing: if you can't find this option called grid when shooting, many people can't find this option. Even myself can't find this grid when shooting option. It is because the reason why is that I don't press, or you don't press the live view button before going to the function setting. So push the live view switch before accessing the function setting. So to find this or to available this option grid when shooting. And that's it. Enabling a grid view on your Canon camera is super simple. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.